So you're thinking of moving to the Delray Beach, Florida area and your budget's in the $400,000 price range? Then stay tuned because that's what we are going to look at today in this video. I will take you on a private tour inside a brand new home in Delray Beach. So if that's for you, stay tuned. If this is your first time to the channel and you're interested in learning more about living in Delray Beach and the surrounding areas in Palm Beach County, Florida, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can be the first to know about the current market here. Hi everyone, my name is Melanie and my team and I have helped people just like you buy a great home here in Palm Beach County, Florida. We get calls and emails all the time from people just like you looking to move or relocate here. So, whether you're moving across the street or across the country, feel free to call, text, or email me and my team so we can help you make a smooth move to your new home in beautiful Palm Beach County. Today, I'm at the Murakami Museum and Gardens in Delray Beach. This is one of my absolute favorite places in Palm Beach County. The Murakami is a center for Japanese arts and culture and includes two museum buildings, Japanese gardens, a bonsai gardens, library, gift shop, and a Japanese restaurant called the Cornell Cafe, which has been featured on the Food Network. Rotating exhibits are displayed in both buildings, and demonstrations, including tea ceremonies and classes, are held in the main building. Traditional Japanese festivals are celebrated several times a year here. This is one of the things that people love about Delray Beach. You have access to really great things to do while also having a great community and beautiful homes. You really are in the middle of it all. It's an extremely popular place to live, and we have new people moving here all of the time. As I said before, if you are looking for a home in the Delray Beach area in the $400 to $1,000 price range, then I will take you on a private tour inside a brand new home right now.
Let's begin in the kitchen, which is a 10 by 10 foot area that includes beautiful cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and an island with lots of counter space. This kitchen is up to date with the newest appliances, providing enough counter space for food prep and plenty of storage space. The cabinets and granite countertops give the kitchen an elegant and modern aesthetic. The kitchen has an open concept design, perfect for entertaining guests. It allows you to have a clear view of the living room, making it a great space for entertaining. The kitchen also features modern appliances such as stainless steel refrigerator, oven, a dishwasher, and stainless steel faucet. Let's take a look in the laundry room. This room is complete with a washer and dryer. The laundry room is conveniently located near the bedrooms for your convenience. The living room is spacious at 14 by 17 feet, and the furniture layout is arranged to provide the perfect spot for entertaining and relaxing. Step out onto the patio and you'll find a peaceful outdoor oasis. The lush greenery adds a sense of serenity, and there's plenty of room to relax and entertain. The large windows bring in plenty of natural light and provide a great view. Your tour now takes us to the master bedroom, a wonderfully inviting and cozy space. A luxurious bed with a plush mattress and soft bedding is the centerpiece, and large windows offer plenty of natural light and picturesque views of the surrounding area. You can see the master bedroom features a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. I'll take you to the bathroom that is 12 by 14 feet, so you can take in its large size, and the glass panes that allow sunlight to enter. You'll also be able to observe the rainfall shower head and the handheld shower head that create a luxurious showering experience. Look at the glass enclosed shower. It's perfect for a luxurious experience. This shower provides a spa-like atmosphere with its clear glass walls. This incredible bathroom features a tiled floor. It has a double vanity, a chrome finished faucet, and a large mirror. You can see the living room is a spacious and inviting area for gathering and entertaining. The open kitchen has an exquisite design, boasting contemporary cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. The hanging lamps bring a welcoming warmth to the area, illuminating the countertops and giving the room a sophisticated vibe. Let's move to the second bedroom. Its decor is composed of warm, natural hues. This room houses a queen-size bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser with a circular mirror. There is a large window that lets in lots of sunshine, and sheer curtains provide privacy. The dimension of this room is 11 by 10 feet. Moving to the second bathroom, you can see the vanity area is complete with a sink. The bathtub is finished with beautiful tiling, adding a touch of sophistication to the room. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a dining room, a living room, and a kitchen, a laundry room, and a garage. The home has a total area of 1,655 square feet.
Thank you so much for joining me today to check out this amazing new home. Delray Beach will always be an incredibly desirable area to live, work, and play. So that is why my team and I are so excited to help you buy your new home here. If you're thinking about buying a brand new or existing home in Delray Beach or Palm Beach County in the next 3 days or 3 months, feel free to call, text, email, or schedule a Zoom call today. We can help you make a smooth move to your new home in beautiful Palm Beach County at no cost to you. Thank you so much for your time. Looking forward to showing you around town soon.